Your vacation rental social media can be a powerful tool for filling your calendar. So learn how to use it to attract guests to your rental. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. In today's digital world, social media has become one of the most powerful tools for marketing vacation rentals. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can connect you with travelers looking for the next holiday destination. But it's not just about posting pretty pictures. It's about creating engaging content that tells the story, builds trust, and ultimately leads to more bookings. In this episode, I'll explore how to use your social media to attract guests to your vacation rental, from creating eye-catching posts to building a loyal following and driving direct bookings. So are you ready to turn your rental into an Instagram sensation? All right, let's get started. To begin with, you have to choose the right social media platforms. Before diving into content creation, it's important that you choose the right platforms for your rental. Not every platform is a perfect fit for every business, and where you focus your efforts depends on your target audience and the type of content you want to share. So let me break it down for you. Instagram. Instagram is ideal for vacation rentals because it's a visual platform where you can showcase your property's best features. Beautiful photos, stories, and even reels can help potential guests imagine themselves staying at your rental. It's the perfect place to post stunning images of your property, nearby attractions, and behind-the-scenes peeks that help build connection with future guests. Facebook. Facebook offers more flexibility for sharing different types of content, from photos to event updates. It's also great for connecting with local businesses and tourism groups that help promote your rental. Facebook ads are a powerful tool, allowing you to target specific demographics like families or couples with promotions or availability updates. Pinterest. Pinterest is often overlooked, but it's a great platform for vacation rentals. Travelers frequently browse Pinterest for travel inspiration and planning tips. Creating a board that features beautiful images of your property, travel tips for your area, and must-see attractions can attract potential guests looking for ideas. So what should you post, and how do you stand out? Well, now that you've chosen the right platforms, it's time to create content that will help capture the attention of potential guests. The key to social media success is posting regularly and sharing content that resonates with your audience. Show off your space. Start by showcasing the best features of your vacation rental. Post high-quality images of your living spaces, bedrooms, outdoor areas, and nearby attractions. Guests want to see what makes your property special. Try to capture the vibe of your rental, whether it's cozy and quaint, or modern and luxurious, or a beachside escape. Use natural light, vibrant colors, and angles to show off the room's best features. Share behind-the-scene content. Guests love to see the personality behind the property. Share behind-the-scenes content like preparing your rental for guests, local experiences you enjoy, or even some little details you include in your welcome package. This helps create a more personal connection with potential guests and makes your property feel approachable and homey. Highlight guest reviews and testimonials. Nothing builds trust like real guest experiences. Post testimonials or reviews from previous guests, and don't be afraid to tag them, with permission of course, if they shared their own content about their stay. This social proof shows potential guests that others have had a great experience at your property. Promote the local attractions. Your vacation rental is part of a larger destination, and guests are just as interested in what they can do in the area as they are in the property itself. Share posts about local attractions, restaurants, events, and unique experiences. This helps you reach travelers who are planning trips to your location and positions your rental as the perfect home base for their adventure. Here's a tip. Use local hashtags or tag local businesses in your posts. They might return the favor by sharing your content with their audience, helping you reach even more potential guests.
Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today.
Make sure you engage with your audience. Social media isn't just about posting content. It's about building relationships. To grow your following and keep potential guests interested, you need to engage them consistently. Make sure to reply to comments on your posts and respond to direct messages promptly. If someone has a question about your rental, be friendly and informative. Quick and thoughtful responses show potential guests that you care and are attentive to their needs. Encourage your guests to share their own photos of your rental and tag your account. You can respond to their content with credit and thank them for their stay. This creates a sense of community around your property and gives you free, authentic content to share. You could even run a contest where guests who tag your rental in their post get entered into a win a discount on their next stay. Collaborate with local influencers. Local influencers or travel bloggers can help spread the word about your rental. Reach out to influencers who align with your brand and offer them a free or a discounted stay in exchange for posts on their social media. Their followers trust their recommendations, and it can be a great way to reach a new audience. While social media is great for building awareness and engagement, it also is an effective tool for driving direct bookings, saving you on platform fees, and keeping your calendar full. Use a booking link in your bio. Make it easy for potential guests to book by including a direct booking link in your Instagram bio or on Facebook page. Link to your website, or if you are using a booking platform like Airbnb, you can link directly to your listing. Offer social media exclusive deals. Incentivize booking direct by offering special discounts to your social media followers. Create a unique code like InstaBook that guests can use when booking directly through your website. This rewards your followers and gives them an extra reason to choose your rental over others. Run paid ads to boost visibility. While organic posts are great for engagement, running paid ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram can help you reach a wider audience. Target ads to people based on location, interests, and travel behavior. For example, you can target ads to people who have recently searched for vacation rentals or are planning a trip to your area. Discover the golden rule of vacation renting with our essential guide, Unpacking Your Property, the top 25 secrets to successful vacation properties. Whether you're new to the game or looking to refine your strategy, this guide is packed with invaluable insights that will help you increase your occupancy rates and maximize your profits. Get your free copy now and start your journey to rental success. Are you using social media to promote your vacation rental? Let me know in the comments. Social media offers endless opportunities to promote your vacation rental, build relationships with potential guests, and drive bookings. By choosing the right platforms, sharing engaging content, and interacting with your audience, you can turn your rental into a highly sought-after destination. So take some time to spruce up your social media presence. With the right strategy, you not only attract new guests, but also keep your calendar full, hopefully year-round. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.